In this video, I'll guide you through how to whitelist an IP address in Salesforce. This is an essential task if you want to ensure that specific IP addresses have access to your Salesforce environment without facing any login restrictions. Whether you're managing a team or setting up a secure connection for a third-party application, whitelisting an IP address can greatly streamline access and enhance security. First, let's get started by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, we need to navigate to the Setup area, which houses all the administrative tools you'll need to configure your Salesforce environment. Now, in the Setup area, locate the search box at the top left of the page, often referred to as the Quick Find box. This tool is incredibly useful for quickly accessing different settings without having to sift through numerous tabs. In the Quick Find box, type Network Access. As you type, you'll notice that Salesforce starts filtering the list of options, making it easier for you to find the network access setting you need. Go ahead and select it once it appears in the dropdown. Once you're in the network access settings, you'll see a list of any existing whitelisted IP addresses. This list shows all the IP ranges that currently have unrestricted access to your Salesforce environment. To add a new IP address, look for the New button, typically located near the top of the page, and click on it. You will now be prompted to enter the Start IP address and End IP address. If you're whitelisting a single IP address, you simply enter the same IP address in both fields. This ensures that only that specific address is allowed access, providing a precise level of control over who can connect to your Salesforce instance. After you have entered the IP addresses, double-check them to ensure there are no typos. A mistake here could either block access for a legitimate user or open up access to an unwanted party. Once you're confident that everything is correct, click Save to apply these settings. And that's it. You've successfully whitelisted an IP address in Salesforce. Remember, managing IP addresses is a critical part of maintaining the security and functionality of your Salesforce environment. If you ever need to update or remove an IP address from the whitelist, you can return to the network access page and make the necessary changes. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you frequently need to whitelist IP addresses, consider maintaining a document with the IP ranges and their purposes. Doing so can help you keep track of permissions and ensure that only the necessary addresses are whitelisted. This extra step can save you time and potential security headaches down the road. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.